Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the heart of Kingston 6 and Harriman Close is this impressive 5-bedroom, 7-bathroom house which offers an unparalleled living experience with breathtaking 360-degree views of the city. Sitting on 53,604 square feet of land, this property boasts a stunning swimming pool and multiple entertainment areas, perfect for hosting large gatherings. There is a well-equipped kitchen with eating area, TV room, dining, and we can't forget to mention this beautiful bathroom, which makes you feel like you are at a 5-star hotel. The meticulously manicured garden provide a serene and tranquil escape, while the spacious bedrooms offers ample space for relaxation. Don't miss this rare opportunity to own a spectacular home in one of Kingston's most exclusive neighborhoods. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 2 million or Jamaican $307.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.